Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have discussed interior points and interior of a set, and I introduced some properties of interior of a set. Okay, now let me prove those properties of interior of a set one by one. First property, let X tau be a topological space and A is a subset of X. Then show that A is open if and only if A interior equals A. Okay, here this theorem has two parts. Okay, let me prove one by one. First take given X tau be a topological space and A is a subset of X. This is given condition. Suppose A is open, then we have to show that A interior equals A. Suppose A is open, therefore A interior is itself the biggest open subset of A. Therefore A interior equals A. Conversely, now take A interior equals A. We have to prove that A is open. A interior equals A. To show that A is open, because A interior is open always. A interior is open, nothing but this is equal to A. Therefore A is also open. Therefore A is open. Hence A is open if and only if A interior equals A. If A is open. Okay. Next theorem. Let X tau be a topological space and A and B are subsets of X. Then we have to prove that first one, A is subset of B implies A interior subset of B interior. Second one, interior of A intersection B equals A interior intersection B interior. Third one, A interior union B interior subset of A union B whole interior. Fourth one, interior of A union B not equal to A interior union B interior. First one, given that X tau be a topological space and A and B are subsets of X. This is given condition. First take, let X belongs to A interior. X belongs to A interior, nothing but A is neighborhood of X. And it is given that A is subset of B. A is a neighborhood of X. A is subset of B, nothing but B is also neighborhood of X. B is neighborhood of X implies X is an interior point of B. Therefore, X belongs to B interior. In the beginning, I have taken X belongs to A interior and show that X belongs to B interior. Therefore, A interior is subset of B interior. Hence, A is a subset of B implies A interior is subset of B interior. Second one, A intersection B whole interior equals A interior intersection B interior. Okay, we have A intersection B is subset of A as well as subset of B. A interior is subset of A in the last theorem. First point, if A is subset of B, then A interior is subset of B interior. Similarly, this implies A intersection B whole interior is subset of A interior. Similarly, A intersection B whole interior is subset of B interior. By clubbing these two, A intersection B whole interior is subset of A interior intersection B interior. Call it equation number 1. Now we have to show that A interior intersection B interior is subset of this one, A intersection B whole interior. Okay. A contained A interior. Therefore, A is a superset of A interior, B is a superset of A interior. Taking the intersection of these two, A intersection B is superset of A interior intersection B interior, or A interior intersection B interior subset of A intersection B. A interior is subset of A. Therefore, the interior of this is A interior intersection B interior whole interior is subset of A intersection B interior. This is A interior intersection B interior is subset of A intersection B whole interior. Call it equation number 2. Because here A interior intersection B interior whole interior is subset of A. A interior is subset of anything, but this is subset of A interior intersection B interior. Okay, from 1 and 2 we can write A intersection B whole interior equals A interior intersection B interior. Third one, we have A is a subset of A union B. This implies A interior is subset of A union B whole interior. Similarly, B is subset of A union B. This implies B interior is subset of A union B whole interior. Then by clubbing these two, A interior union B interior subset of A union B whole interior, A union B whole interior. That is A union B whole interior. Okay, fourth one. Using 3 we have A interior union B interior subset of A union B whole interior. This is from the third point. But here to show that A union B whole interior does not equal to A interior union B interior, we can prove this by using one example. Let A equals close 0, 1 open, left close right open, and B is left close right open 1, 2. A interior of this is open interval 0, 1, interior of B is open interval 1, 2. First take A union B. A is 0, 1, this is open, and B is 1, 2, including 1 and 2. A union B is 0, 2, 0, 2. This is close bracket, this is open bracket. Now take the interior. Interior of A union B is open interval 0, 2. This is equation number 1. Now take A interior union B interior. A interior is 0, 1 union. B interior is 1, 2. This is 1, 0, 1, 1, 2. Here the elements lies between 0 and 1 except 0 and 1. Here the elements lies between 1 and 2 except 1 and 2. Okay, 0, 2 nothing but element lies between 0 to 2 except 0 and 2, but 1 is also not included. 1 is not there. Therefore minus singleton set 1. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we can write A union B whole interior does not equal to A interior union B interior. Next, exterior of a set. Let X tau be a topological space and A be any subset of X. Then the set of all those points of A which are interior in X minus A. The set of all those points of A which are interior in X minus A is called exterior of A, and it is denoted by this symbol exterior of A or X minus A interior. It is denoted by exterior of A equals X minus A, the symbol minus X minus A bar. That is exterior of A is the complement of closure of A. Exterior is the complement of closure of A.